Hey guys, welcome back. Very quickly, we got to talk about this whole Nene Leakes situation. I think I was right. About it. I've been telling y'all that Nene has just still, she's still going at it. She's still going at it with the people, discussing with the folks her grievances with Bravo. I don't even know the words to use. It's just crazy. She's still going at it. And I came on this platform numerous times in the past couple of weeks, and I said, I don't think these negotiations are going great. I think they have until August 19th or something like that to strike a deal or go back to court. And I think they're going to go back to court because if they were close to making a deal, which they still got a little bit of time, but if they was close to making some sort of settlement, some sort of deal, I don't think she would be on social media still gunning after NBCUniversal, Bravo, Andy Cohen, and the production companies. I just don't think she would be doing that. Along with the fact that she says that she plans on releasing a tell-all book. There's not going to be a settlement unless Nene agrees to keep whatever done happened with her and NBCUniversal hush hush. That doesn't make sense. If we give you $1 million or $2 or $3, we're definitely not going to give you our blessing to go make a tell-all book about all of our network and production secrets. No, that's not going to happen, you guys. Read between the lines. I don't think Nene wants to settle with these folks outside of the court of law. She wants to go to trial. And I think I'm right because I'm reading this article right now from Radar Online. Nene Leakes looks to Kathy Griffin as her star witness in $1 million racism lawsuit against Bravo and Andy Cohen. Nene Leakes might be in court. Nene Leakes might be in out of court negotiations to settle her multi-million-dollar lawsuit she filed against Andy Cohen, Bravo, and NBCUniversal, but that hasn't deterred her from gearing up for a potential showdown, Radar has exclusively learned. She filed a lawsuit in an Atlanta court in April over claims that she suffered years of racist remarks from former co-star Kim Zolciak-Biermann, who was white. All right. The television bosses foster a corporate and workplace culture in which racially insensitive and inappropriate behavior is tolerated, if not encouraged, according to the lawsuit. While a judge has given both sides until August 19th to negotiate the dispute, Leakes is busy trying to recruit a heavy hitter to help her win the case. So you're in this arbitration period where I guess it seems as though Bravo wants to kind of settle this outside of court so that, the documents and evidence and things don't go into a public record. But at the same time, Nene is trying to get Kathy Griffin to maybe be a witness during this potential trial or case or lawsuit when it go back to court. Kathy was one of the first ever stars on Bravo, a source connected to the lawsuit told RadarOnline.com. Long before the Real Housewives, Kathy Griffin had her own hit show on Bravo, My Life on the D-List. I remember that. The show put Andy Cohen and Bravo on the map at the time when the network was basically still a startup. Kathy knows everything about Bravo and Andy. She was there from day one and saw how the machine operates. Nene knows that. I told y'all these negotiations, unless a miracle happens, and listen, they still have some days. They have, 30 days. They still have a really long time. So they could strike a deal before it goes back to court, but she's gearing up for Kathy Hilton, which means we know what Nene's intentions are. She wants to take it to trial. She's either going to lose or win. From her side of things, they want her to win, and then she wants to come out with this tell-all book, right? Now, Kathy Griffin has had issues with Bravo for a while. Let me see if I can look up their history. Listen. This comes from a website called Cinema Blend. I just did a quick Google search. The caption or the title says, Kathy Griffin says Andy Cohen treated her like a dog as Bravo TV boss. So she has had her issues with the network, Andy Cohen, the production companies. She says, Andy Cohen treated me like a dog. He was like one of the worst bosses I ever had. The guy, he decides the entire slate at Bravo, and yet he gave himself a talk show that magically gets renewed every year. So I had a talk show at Bravo for 2 years that got canceled, and I thought, yeah, it's sort of a competition for Andy. So no, he has not been very kind. If Nene, now I don't know how smart it is, and I don't know how her lawyers are advising how she plays this situation. So I don't know if it's smarter for her to go to trial or to settle. It might be smarter for her. I don't know. I'm not a lawyer. I don't know how that works. But if they go back to the courts, if they have to settle it back in court, I think it is smart to enlist Kathy Griffin because, like the article said, Kathy Griffin knows a lot. And I feel like she can spill some tea in Nene Leakes' favor about the history of this damn network. Y'all, what is going on? Let me know how y'all feel about the situation. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to create a great day.